All right guys, Dano back again. I got an awesome recipe that a customer told me about. I've made this chicken 2 or 3 times and I swear to you it's the best chicken you'll ever have for making simple chicken. We literally use Simply Lemonade and we're gonna marinate these bad boys overnight and then we're gonna hit them with spicy Danos. So what's gonna happen is that lemonade's gonna give them like a sweet inside, that marinade from the sugar or the lemon and whatnot, so it's gonna have that sweet inside, and then the spicy Danos on the outside. We're gonna grill it up, and then we're gonna do something special with it. I think I'm gonna make a pasta salad, but we're not doing it till tomorrow, even though you're seeing this video now. What you see what I do with this will be tomorrow, but make sure you subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, let me know what you think about this. If you've ever tried it before, or maybe you need to yum get you some and go get you some Danos and try it. So this is super easy, y'all. I'm gonna take me a fork. First I'm gonna get my glove on dealing with chicken here. I'm simply gonna take my fork and I'm just gonna poke a bunch of holes in this chicken, top and bottom. We already got it cleaned up, cut all the fat off, cut all the bad parts off. So we're just gonna take each one of these and just poke as many holes in it as you feel like you need to poke. And it's gonna allow that lemonade to really penetrate into the muscle of the chicken. And if somebody's got a problem with me poking my chicken, well, you might be the one with the problem. Because I'm allowed to poke my chicken however I want to poke my chicken. If you've never had Danos before, you're missing out. I'm telling you what, yum, go get you some on the website, danosseasoning.com. You won't regret it. It's packed full of all these natural herbs and spices, lemon, orange, garlic, onion, rosemary. This is all the salt that we use in the entire bottle. It's only 50 milligrams of sodium per serving. It's real sea salt, so you get the right amount of salt. That's why when you see me use Danos, I can use a lot. I'm not a chef, I don't claim to be a chef. I'm just a guy that likes to cook, and I know what real flavor is. And that's Danos. I wouldn't put my name on it if I didn't 100% believe in it. We're just gonna throw our chicken in the bag. Give the lemonade a little shake. Simply Lemonade. They're not paying me for this. This is just what my customer told me. He said, buy Simply Lemonade, don't buy the other lemonades. Buy Simply Lemonade, because it's a game changer. So we're gonna throw that in. We'll simply lemonade, and I will just simply get it sealed, and then try and press some of this air out, just like so. Just like that. Get as much air out as possible. Seal it. Now that is gonna go in the fridge for a day, and we'll see you tomorrow. So I got my chicken that I've been marinating for 24 hours in just lemonade, and we're getting ready to spicy Dano it up, and we're gonna throw it on the grill, and we're gonna make a chicken pasta salad to make the best chicken pasta salad you ever had. And I'm gonna use Danos to make the vinaigrette. We pulled out the old Weber because our Grilla, you can see right there next to you, it's being used right now. Showing what's in there. That's a 20-pound Wagyu brisket, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'm actually gonna use this hemp block here. This is a Survivalist Hemp Company. They're in Paris, Kentucky. They sent me several of these. Use it to start your campfire. We're gonna use it to start our coals. I don't know if that's the real purpose of it, but you know, it's hemp, it's all natural. All you gotta do is light it and just let it do its thing. So we're gonna get this going. It's the only thing I had to light these coals because I'd never like to use lighter fluid. Look, you can see as the paper burns away, it's just hemp in there. I'm guessing they make CBD. And so this is just the leftovers after they extract the CBD oils and whatnot. You're left with the leftover hemp, I guess. And that should do the trick for us. So we're gonna set that in there. It's rolling, it's smoking, so it's working, it's doing the trick. All right, so our fire starter did the trick. When you light your coals, you always wanna let them cook until the top ones turn gray. This took about 20 minutes. The fire starter definitely did the trick for us. you can see that bad boy's gone. This is hot. I'm gonna dump them in. Oh man, it's hot. All right, y'all, so we got our 24-hour marinated chicken and just lemonade. So we're gonna pull it out. You can see it's already discolored the chicken, basically cooked it already, kind of like ceviche. So we're gonna go on and get us a bite real quick. I'm just kidding. But no, you can see that definitely got penetrated by the lemonade. Look at the color difference from yesterday till today. So that has got all that sweetness of that lemonade internally. Now we're gonna hit it with the spicy of the Danos on the outside. It's gonna be amazing, y'all. Now let's go get our grill ready. I'm gonna try a trick I saw somewhere. It was a long time ago, but if you take a lemon, cut it in half, and put it over the grates on your grill, supposedly it doesn't stick like normal. Just like so. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. All right, it's time to get this chicken on, because I can't keep doing that. I'm gonna lose my fingers. We're gonna go straight on with our spicy Danos, and we're gonna cover it graciously. Reason why we say sprinkle generously and cover it graciously is because it's low sodium, it's all natural, no sugar, no chemicals. You can literally put it on anything. It's never gonna be too much salt. So we're just gonna throw that right on the grill and then pop the other side. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna reach down on my hip. Yeah, it looks like spicy Danos, but there's actually something special in there. This is a Chipotle recipe I've been working on. So we're gonna try it on this chicken, see how that turns out. Look, you can see the difference of the color. Oh man, it's hot. So we're just gonna throw that right on there. That same good Danos flavor that you love, but it's got a lot of Chipotle flavor to it. So we're gonna let those cook. We'll turn them, we'll try and get some nice grill marks on them, but if we don't, it's all good because it's gonna be dang good. All right, let's get a look at our chicken. You can see it's cooking up nicely. Oh yeah, look at the bottom there. So we just give it a little 90-degree flip. Try and get some cross marks on there, but it's all right if it doesn't work. That Chipotle is looking awesome. Look at that, yeah. That's the hot part right here. We're gonna move these over. We'll be back. All right, let's give this chicken a little flip. There's our Chipotle chicken, our Danos chicken. I'd say we probably got about another 6 or 7 or 8 minutes. We'll be eating some dang good chicken. So we're working around 135 right now. The key to boneless, skinless chicken breasts and not having them super tough is pulling them at 165. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give them a little bit of olive oil, give them a little bit of glossy gloss. We're gonna go on and give them another flip. Looking great. Look at that. It's looking awesome. Do a little bit more olive oil. We'll be done in about 5 minutes. All right, y'all, so now it's time to get our pasta salad. All right, so now it's time to get our pasta salad ready for our chicken that's getting ready to come off the grill so we can make this chicken pasta salad. I'm not gonna overcomplicate it. What I wanna show you is that on this bottle of Danos, if you got a small bottle of the original or the spicy, there is a vinaigrette recipe on here. It's super easy. It's equal parts, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, olive oil, and Danos makes an awesome vinaigrette. So that's what we're gonna make is our vinaigrette. You don't have to go buy vinaigrettes anymore. Use the Danos, make your own. If you don't have a small bottle, it's not on the large bottle, you can go to the website and check out the recipe. So, we got our pasta already cooked, it's been chilled, and I'm gonna do equal parts. So I'm gonna start with my olive oil. You can measure this out if you want, but like I said, it's all equal parts. Actually, I brought a little balsamic because you can always add a little something different, but this isn't in the actual recipe, but I like adding a little balsamic in there. So we got our red wine vinegar here, pour a little bit of that in there. And then we got our white wine vinegar, pour a little bit of that in there. Now, you just open your little bottle of Danos, you sprinkle a bunch of it in there. Remember, it's equal parts. You're not gonna overdo it. Anytime you actually buy a vinaigrette salad dressing at the store, if you look in the bottle, there's herbs and spices in there. So that's all we're doing, is we're creating our own. Like that. I'm actually gonna grab me a big spoon real quick so I can mix this up. Got our spoons, now we're just gonna mix this up. You can see that right there, just by itself is gonna be awesome. So I'm not done with this. I got plenty more things to add. I'm gonna add some black olives. I'm also gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes. Just get these bad boys, just chop them up a little bit. All right, that's good enough for me. So we're just gonna throw those in there. And I like to keep them kind of big. I'm a huge black olive fan. So I'm just gonna cut each one of these in half. There's our black olives. All right, so now it's time to cut into our chicken. It's that moment of truth. Let's see how good we did. So let's cut right into it. Looks good to me. Let's see. Looks nice and juicy. Cooked perfectly. Oh yeah. It's just flavor packed. Lemonade inside, sweet, spicy on the outside. It's good stuff. We're trying the chipotle now. I've tried it on several things, but not on chicken like this. Looking good. It's definitely done. All right. Oh yeah. It's that same Dano's flavor with more spice, the chipotle flavor, which is actually a sun-ripened jalapeno and then smoked. That, my friends, is money. Here, cameraman, get you a bite. GoPro Joe, get you a bite of that. It's got a little kick. Definitely spicier than the spicy Dano's, but it's that chipotle flavor in there. I'm telling you what, it's awesome. So we're just gonna cut this up. We're gonna eat the rest of that chipotle. We're gonna cut some of this chicken up, maybe save some chicken. We're gonna put it in our pasta salad just like this. I'm telling you what, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Simple as hitting that button. I'm gonna be coming to you with recipes all the time. I'm not a chef. I'm just a guy that knows flavor. I got a great product, and this is how I show you guys how I add that flavor to certain recipes. So leave a comment, leave a like, tell me what you think. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna finish making this pasta salad, and we'll see you next time.